Hi, you guys. Miss Leslie here, and this is our fifth video in our short vowel sounds series. So in this video, we will be working on the short vowel sound for the letter U. And the short vowel sound for the letter U is A. So remember that you can grab a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil, and you can build the words as I say them. You can write down the letter for each sound that I make. So that very first word is plug. The word is plug. And the sounds in the word plug are p, o, a, g. Again, the sounds in the word plug are p, o, a, g. Then the next one is snug. She is snug in her blanket. And the sounds in the word snug are s, n, a, g. Again, the sounds in the word snug are s, n, a, g. Then the next one is pump. The word is pump. And the sounds in the word pump are p, a, m, p. Again, the sounds in the word pump are p, a, m, p. Then we have dump. The word is dump. And the sounds in the word dump are d, a, m, p. Again, the sounds in the word dump are d, a, m, p. Then we have jump. The word is jump. And the sounds in the word jump are j, a, m, p. Again, the sounds in the word jump are j, a, m, p. Then we have dust. The word is dust. And the sounds in the word dust are d, a, s, t. Again, the sounds in the word dust are d, a, s, t. Then we have dusk. The word is dusk. And the sounds in the word dusk are d, a, s, k. Again, the sounds in the word dusk are d, a, s, k. And that very last one is drum. The word is drum. And the sounds in the word drum are d, a, m. Again, the sounds in the word drum are d, a, m. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Remember that the answers will be on the very next slide. And this was our very last one in our set of short vowel sound letters. So thank you for joining me, and if you enjoy my videos, please consider following my channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.